So I figured I'd throw a real quick video together for some of you all. Been getting some questions about if you're running a 3-inch downpipe with AWE catback. You know, do you need an adapter or whatever to keep it leak free? And the answer is you do need an adapter. And as far as when you're running the stock setup, you don't have to have an adapter to run the catback with a stock downpipe. It's only when you go 3-inch downpipe with AWE catback that you need the adapter. And that's because the AWE tapers right where it meets the downpipe. So get up under here and let you see what it looks like. So you can see the adapter. It uses the donut gasket, and I've actually got some spacers. You can't see them very well. There's small spacers in there. I used nylon spacers. They're pretty heat resistant for what they are. It keeps that flange from bending around too much. But you use the donut gasket and the gram speed adapter, and you have pretty much a leak-free setup. So just figure I'd throw this out there. I've been getting a few comments and questions about it, and hopefully it helps somebody. Thanks for watching.